Struggling with file system error -805305975 on Windows 11? Stay tuned for 4 powerful fixes. In the search menu, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Input the script below and hit Enter to scan for and repair damaged files. SFC/scano. Type the commands below and hit Enter after each one to run. This should help solve the problem if this didn't do the trick. Let's proceed to the next solution. Press Windows+I to open the Settings app. On the left pane, click Apps, then on the right, click Installed Apps. Click the ellipses or 3 dots in front of the app that triggered the error and select Advanced Options. Under the Reset category, click the Reset button. Finally, restart the operation and verify that file system error -805305975 is fixed. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Press Windows+I to open the Settings app. Click Windows Update on the left pane, then on the right, press Check for updates. If there are any updates, download an AMP, install them, then restart your computer and see if it fixes the problem. If this fix didn't get the job done, let's go ahead and explore the next solution. In the search menu, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Type the command below and hit Enter .chkdsk/f. Thanks for watching. Hope you hit like and subscribe.